I'm watching Cole for a second.
Hurry up, so
Go ahead, y'all go down.
I will. Love it. Careful, Cole. Ow. Go ahead, Aubrey. Wait a minute.
He did that all by himself. Oh, his leg is stuck. Help him.
Aubrey, move.
Watch out, Aubrey. Yay, Cole!
Yay, Cole!
Mimi, leave him be. He's doing this all by himself. Come on, Cole, do it again.
Come on, Cole.
He's loving this.
Look at him climbing the stairs. Watch him.
Careful.
Sometimes he gets his legs stuck. Like that. See?
Is it stuck?
What a cutie!
Yay, Cole!
Oh, I love him.
Pudgy, what you got? Pudge, look at me.